Welcome to ScalarHub. This video covers all aspects of developing an effective inventory management strategy to optimize sales and profit. Inventory management is the foundation of a well-functioning retail business and a fundamental building block to a company's success and longevity. When inventory is organized and accessible, the entire supply chain will function efficiently. But without proper inventory management software, companies risk making any number of mistakes due to human error, and unfortunately, are more likely to disappoint their customers in the process. In this video, we'll examine the importance of closely monitoring your inventory and review a few ways to incorporate this practice into your business. So let's get started. What is inventory management? Inventory management describes the system businesses use to ensure optimal inventory levels by organizing, sourcing, storing, and selling raw materials and finished products. Good inventory management leads to optimal stock levels at the right price and reduces costs. With inventory management techniques, businesses can oversee raw materials and finished products and regulate warehousing and processing. Why are inventory management systems important? Implementing a sound inventory management system is critical to the success of companies of all sizes. Yet too many small business owners use outdated practices or neglect tracking inventory levels. Inventory management isn't solely about your finished goods, it's about accounting for your company's cash flow, labor, and overall assets. With a viable inventory management system, your company can optimize supply chain management, obtain more accurate inventory data, improve inventory management, and experience exponential growth across all departments. Optimize inventory tracking and fulfillment. Ensuring product availability goes hand in hand with optimizing your fulfillment potential. Thankfully, e-commerce inventory management supports both objectives. With proper inventory tracking, you'll know exactly how inventory moves so you don't miss out on sales or ruin a customer's experience because you can't complete their order. Inventory management systems and apps also allow you to account for buffer stock, which you can use for fulfillment while waiting for additional shipments. This buffer stock will prevent you from running out of stock, even though stockouts aren't always the worst. Why every business should provide better customer service. Excellent customer service is a hallmark of any great company. Yet it isn't easy to provide quality service if you don't grasp the products you sell. But with an understanding of your inventory levels and an accurate way to keep track of the different types of inventories, you can provide more consistent and proactive customer service to your entire customer base. When customers contact your call centers, they expect to get definitive answers about the availability of the products they want to purchase. If they're out of stock, you need to be able to provide information on when they'll be replenished. Inventory management tools equip your company to serve customers confidently, since you'll have the knowledge and metrics to address their concerns. This way, you can prevent customer frustration, or worse, the total loss of a customer due to poor service. Let's discuss why inventory management is a crucial element for 3PL success. Inventory management is critical to third-party logistics, 3PL, providers' business models. Effective inventory management strategies can significantly impact a 3PL's operations efficiency, client satisfaction, and overall profitability. This section will explore the relevance of inventory management for 3PLs and the key aspects that must be considered to ensure optimal performance. Inventory management provides visibility and control. Visibility and control are essential elements of inventory management for third-party logistics providers, or 3PLs. As logistics professionals, 3PLs must have a comprehensive and real-time understanding of their clients' inventory regarding the quantity and location of items within their warehouses. This visibility enables 3PLs to manage product storage, handling, and movement efficiently, ultimately ensuring that their clients' supply chains run smoothly. Additionally, 3PLs must maintain control over their operational processes to manage their clients' inventory effectively. This includes implementing processes to prevent stock inaccuracies, managing stock replenishments, and ensuring warehouse staff is trained to follow best practices in inventory management. By maintaining control over these aspects, 3PLs can provide their clients with a seamless and reliable service. In today's fast-paced and technologically advanced business landscape, 3PLs must adopt cutting-edge tools and software to optimize inventory management processes. Implementing warehouse management systems, or WMS, can significantly improve inventory management efficiency by automating various processes, such as tracking inventory levels, generating real-time reports, and streamlining the picking and packing processes. By leveraging technology, 3PLs can enhance their ability to manage complex inventory requirements, cater to the diverse needs of their clients, and adapt to the constantly evolving demands of the industry. Now let's discuss some inventory management channels and their unique challenges. Retailers have several options regarding the selling channels they partner with, though Amazon, Walmart, and Shopify remain the top 3 platforms. While each hub has its fair share of benefits, they also come with unique challenges. Amazon Inventory Management uses world-class machine learning algorithms to deliver customized restocking strategies for your e-commerce brand. Amazon's inventory management tools are located in Seller Central, where merchants can quickly access them. Still, selling on Amazon is associated with a few common challenges, like incurring extra carrying costs due to overstocking and experiencing errors in product pricing or product descriptions. Walmart's inventory management uses a vendor-managed model. Suppliers can access their inventory data from Walmart's information system. This data includes current inventory levels or the rate at which goods are sold. In addition, suppliers decide when to send replenishment to Walmart, giving them more control over their inventory. The drawback is that Walmart.com only ships to addresses within the United States. Shopify Inventory Management allows businesses of any size to set up an e-commerce store quickly. Shopify provides several native tools for inventory control and tracking that help retailers efficiently manage their stock levels. However, these proprietary tools start presenting challenges once you expand your operations to new channels other than Shopify. Simply put, they're limited in their capabilities outside the host platform. These are some important techniques for managing inventory efficiently. The beauty of e-commerce inventory management is that it keeps you from constantly counting your stock and ensures you never unexpectedly run out of a product line or accidentally order in excess. It also lets you track critical inventory KPIs and meet your business objectives. While there are plenty of management techniques, look for those that best suit your brand's needs and will be most effective within your warehouse. Economic order quantity, or EOQ. Economic order quantity is the ideal quantity a company should purchase to minimize inventory costs, such as shortages or carrying costs. The overall goal of economic order quantity is to decrease spending. Its formula is used to identify the greatest number of units needed per order to reduce buying. One of the primary gains of the EOQ model is its customized recommendations for your particular company. At times, EOQ may suggest investing in a larger order to take advantage of discount bulk buying and to cut down on total costs associated with multiple shipments. ABC analysis. ABC analysis is a technique for dividing products into 3 categories based on their consumption values and their impact on annual inventory costs. For example, Category A includes the most valuable products that contribute the most to overall profit. Category B includes inner class items, which fall between the most valuable and least valuable products. Lastly, Category C products account for the small transactions vital to collective profits, but only matter a little to your company on an individual level. With ABC analysis, companies can better control their high-value inventory items, improve availability, and reduce costs or losses. Just-in-time, or JIT, inventory management allows companies to order raw materials from suppliers in conjunction with their production schedules. Utilizing the JIT technique is a great way to reduce costs, since companies receive new products on an as-needed basis, rather than ordering too much of something and winding up with dead stock. Inventory that doesn't sell is likely to drain your money and resources. Yet, businesses that employ the JIT strategy enjoy an increase in efficiency and a decrease in waste. By only receiving goods as needed for the production process, you'll cut down on inventory costs and reap the benefits of a more productive warehouse and distribution flow. Safety stock. Safety stock is a technique wherein extra inventory is ordered beyond expected demand in hopes of preventing stockouts caused by inaccurate forecasting or unforeseen changes. Safety stock can be considered an insurance plan, protecting companies against uncertainties in supply, demand, or manufacturing yield. Using a safety stock approach, businesses can maintain an adequate amount of inventory at all times, and their daily operations can proceed according to plan. Similarly, buffer stock is an invaluable asset whenever sales are greater than anticipated, or when the supplier is unable to deliver the product by the agreed-upon date. FIFO, first in, first out, and LIFO, last in, first out, are methods to help determine the cost of goods sold. While FIFO encourages the oldest inventory to be sold first, LIFO assumes the last unit to arrive, in other words, new inventory, has priority. FIFO is an excellent way to keep inventory fresh, whereas LIFO can prevent products from going rancid. Although each approach has advantages, LIFO is only sometimes practical for some companies, since they'd instead not leave their older inventory sitting idly in stock. That's why FIFO is used more often, ensuring the oldest products get out the door before anything else. So, in the end, let's discuss how ScalarHub makes your inventory management easy. ScalarHub empowers companies of all sizes by integrating their products, fulfillment centers, and sales channels into one seamless platform. With ScalarHub, companies can introduce clarity with multi-channel inventory management across multiple selling channels, manage inventory counts in real time, and speed up their fulfillment process with ease. Request a demo today and see for yourself why ScalarHub is one of the best inventory management service providers. It can enhance your inventory management plan and help you exceed growth expectations. Why wait? Contact ScalarHub today to discover more about our services and how we can help your business thrive. Thank you for watching. Visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn for more tips and updates. Stay tuned for our next video.